In this video I'm going to review the Keter Premier Shed. I'm going to show you what it looks like in real life and also my feedback after 6 months of use. Starting off with the installation, it was delivered in 2 very large boxes, one of which needed 2 people to carry it. If you don't have a second person to help or easy access into your garden, you can always open the box and carry the parts one by one. They say it will take around 4 hours to fit, which is probably true if you've installed one before. It took me well over 6 hours. Just so many parts and screws to fit, all of which takes time. The instructions do make it really easy though, especially as every single part, bolt and panel is labelled with a sticker, and so you're not just going by the pictures trying to make sure that you're fitting the correct parts. There's nothing to glue or hammer, and you might be able to fit it in an open area and then push it into the area you want it in, as I did, as it's really light and will easily slide across a flat surface. Here's an unedited walk around. The handles will take a padlock easily. The inside door has a lock to stop it opening in the wind. The floor is also made of plastic. I'll talk about that again later on, along with the walls. The see-through roof lets light in, and it's very well ventilated. I also managed to fit some LED light strips on it. Do let me know what you think. So my conclusion on the shed is that it's a very nice looking shed, and for looks alone I'd definitely buy it again. Anybody that's seen it has said the same. It looks really nice. There are a couple of drawbacks, one of them being the floor. Now the floor is made up of 2 sheets of plastic, I think, and every so often there's a wedge or something to stop it collapsing. Now on the bits that are hollow, you can feel it as you walk on it. You can feel where the ridges are and where it's hollow. It's strong enough anywhere to stand on, to put machinery on, but if you were to drop something heavy on it and it was to land on one of the hollow parts, I can't help but feel that it's gonna crack. I might be wrong, but it certainly, to me, it feels like it will just crack. So I've put some I had some leftover tiles when I did my garden, and I've just put some tiles on top of it, and hopefully that should avoid any accidents. You might want to put an MDF board or something suitable for garden shed floor, and just to avoid that, or it might just be strong enough. I might just be overcautious. The second drawback is, which I guess is a drawback with all plastic sheds, is the walls itself. They're only going to be so strong because they're plastic panels and they're screwed together, and the Keter one, it was actually screwed together by really tiny screws. So I kind of feel that if you were to push on it quite strong, then it would give way. Now that's a drawback because with sheds, you might have a bike or something heavy that you want to just lean against the wall, and I don't think you can do that. You certainly can't screw any shelves onto the wall either, but you can overcome that by getting floor standing shelves, which is what I did. But that's really the only drawbacks. Again, fantastic looking shed. We've had it now for 6 months. This is what it looks like. Still looks new. We've washed it, I think, once because there was some bird droppings on it. Otherwise, we've just let the rain look after it, and I think it looks really good. It doesn't leak. We've not noticed any moisture or condensation inside, and it seems like it's gonna keep that way for many years to come. So if you're thinking about buying one of these, don't think twice. I'd recommend it highly, and I'd definitely go and buy another one if I had to. Thank you for watching this video. Please comment if you have any questions. please feel free to ask on the comment section, and like this video if it was useful for you, and subscribe. I plan to make other useful videos around, about home